What's up guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Katie. If you're not new here, then happy to see you back. If you're a brand, a small business, a blogger, or anyone who is ready to start their new website, then today's list is going to be how to prep for your website build. A little background on me: I'm a freelance web designer based in Dallas. I help a lot of small brands and bloggers build their ideas into a full-scale website. So this is a list that I give my clients when I'm getting them ready to work on a website. So whatever web designer you choose to work with, this list will help you prepare for your website build. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is start thinking about what you want the goals of your website to be. This could be whatever you want your website to accomplish. Another way to think of this is, what will you consider a conversion on your website? For an e-commerce website, that would be a purchase. For bloggers, that could be a newsletter subscription. For someone like me or other creatives and designers, that could be when they contact you to get prices and more information. So depending on what your business is, it really determines what your website goal is going to be, or like what you want to achieve. But if you can start thinking about that from the beginning of the process, it'll make things run a little more smoothly during the build. Okay, second thing you need to do is you need to start scoping out the competition. So start analyzing other brands, businesses, bloggers, whoever. Start looking at their websites and kind of taking note of like things they do well and maybe some things that you could do better. You should do everything better. I would maybe look at 3 or 4 just so you can get a good baseline. And if your competitor has like a really crappy website, don't even use them as a reference. It doesn't count. Number 3 is a little more fun. Start looking up inspiration for websites that you really like or enjoy. This could be any brand. It doesn't have to be related to what like you do. Start taking notes of kind of what you like best about that website. Maybe even like the navigation, how they use imagery, how they work in copy, things like that. Taking notes and having visual references like that is going to be even better for your designer, because you can show them exactly like, this is exactly what I like. The next thing you can do to prepare for your new website build is start gathering images and assets for your designer. I recently wrote a full blog post over checklist items that you can accomplish before the website build, so I highly recommend checking that out if you want a full comprehensive list of like everything you'll need. But in general, you'll want your logos, imagery, any copy, stuff like that. All right, number 5 is start creating a wish list of things and aspects that you would like on your website. You can pretty much skip all of the really basic stuff like navigation. You want a homepage, like yes, we know you want that. I would call it more of like detailed stuff you'd want on your website, just to clarify. A good example would be like social feeds, contact forms, specific contact forms, like just a general one, yeah, understandable. But say you're an e-commerce brand and you want to work with influencers and do more collaborations, then you would want a collaborations contact form. So that'd be something a little more specific that you should clarify. The same goes for more detailed pages. Like I said, of course you're going to want a home page and a contact page and an about page. But if there are other like pages, like a collabs page or something like I mentioned, then that will be a very specific page that you would want built out. Well, that's it. These are 5 really easy ways that you can prep for your new website build. I'm an over planner, so if I'm saying this list works, then I promise it works, because I like to plan everything to a T. You could do half of these things and already be really prepared. Well, that's everything for today. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and drop a comment below if you think of or know of any other things to add to the list. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!